Hello, I'm Peter Reynolds. I'm an industry advisor with ARC Advisory Group. Today we have Flávio Niemeyer, and Flávio is Chief Practices and Alliances Officer with Radix. Flávio, welcome.
Thank you, Peter. Always good to be here with you.
Thank you. Flávio, why don't you start by telling us a little bit about products and services and your vision for Radix?
Okay, so Radix is a technology services company, and we provide solutions for the asset-heavy industries in the market, to bringing operations excellence, reliability, and combining different capabilities that we have in-house to provide this type of solutions. So the main knowledge domains that we have in Radix are engineering, operations and control, OT, software and data, and technology consulting. Yeah. And today we see that all of these domains are really impacted about AI and the new technologies. So the challenge is how we can become our team, the team can become more productive and efficient using the new technologies to address our customers' challenges. And although we have, let's say, over 30 years of experience in the industry, now we are expanding our solutions also to supply chain. So we see that, so we have a kind of projects with transportation hubs, ports, airports, and now how can we combine this with our industrial expertise and deliver kind of a complete supply chain solutions.
Yeah. So let's focus a little bit on manufacturing at this point, Flávio. Lots of change going on in the world today. What are some of the challenges that the manufacturers you're working with, what are they saying?
A lot of challenges. They are always under pressure in order to increase their throughput and reliability and keep a high quality standard in their product. But there are several constraints at the same time. And so they are facing kind of aging assets, aging equipment, constraints with the workforce, kind of aging workforce, and a new generation come. And I would say that a more complex technology landscape. And most of them went through a lot of mergers and acquisitions. So when you see the legacy systems, especially for the control systems, they are working with a variety of technologies. So there is a challenge how to integrate them, how to make them work efficiently, and matching with the new technologies that are available. There's great pressure to adopt them, but how this will work with the legacy systems and with the current knowledge of the workforce. So we see also that a strong change management process is really important to address the human factor of the technology adoption that we see right now.
Yeah. So let's switch a little bit. Let's talk about digital ecosystems. It's one of the main themes, of course, of the ARC event. Can you talk a little bit about the process that Radix would follow in order to develop those ecosystem partnerships?
We have several technology partners, and we developed several technology alliances, because we are, as a service company, we're not here to reinvent the wheel. So there are a lot of good things available, but Radix is a really customer-centric company. So we partner with our customers to understand the pains, to understand the challenges, what are the gaps that needs to be filled, and then understand what type of technologies will best suit for them to address. So understanding our customer demands, we start to select what would be the best technology to work with, what would be the best technology partners to address this, and start to combine them, especially the way that we needed to combine technologies involving engineering, involving data, involving software. How can we make this more comprehensive and effective to address our customers' challenges?
So what about AI? Everybody's talking about AI at multiple levels in companies. How is your company addressing your capabilities to serve customers by adding artificial intelligence or machine learning? What does that look like?
Yeah, the point with AI, we need to understand the value in the end of the day that this will bring to the business. We don't think about the kind of AI strategy without thinking about the business strategy. So this is really important. So what type of business challenges we are trying to solve? And with AI is a great tool to improve productivity. So we see that this will help a lot for the teams to become more productive. And so we are helping our customers organizing all the information that they have, organize all the different data sources coming from engineering, coming from operations, coming from maintenance. And then we start to build the agents that will work with this type of information, and then creating a platform that will orchestrate the different agents. So one of the solutions that we developed for a major global company was an operator copilot. So the operator can check there what was the performance of the last shift, what are the problems that occur, and what would be the main guidelines to solve the problems, retrieving data from PNIDs, from historical data, from the equipment manual. So this kind of a support for the operators and engineers is one of the applications that we have been working with. The other one's more related to video analytics. So we have been developed several video analytics solutions in order to improve safety in the industrial environment. So if the operators are using the correct PPE, if there is any suspended load and anyone walking below this, so we're using a lot of video analytics in order to improve safety in the work environment, and also to guarantee that manual procedures are being doing correctly. So video analytics is another one that the main powered by AI solutions that we have.
So from a project lifecycle perspective, it seems to me that there's this emerging concept of main digital contractor and the capabilities of EPCs and the capabilities of main digital contractors and how that translates to value at the owner-operator side. How are you seeing that evolve? And do you think Radix has a differentiated capability in that area?
I would say so, Peter, because our scope of capabilities are really broad. And because of that, we cover the whole life cycle of an asset, since the design and engineering through the construction, handover to operations, and then maintenance and even decommissioning the assets. So because we have been working with the major asset owners in this space, so we have been bringing a lot of value since the early phases of the life cycle. So for instance, it's starting with the engineering part. So how are you going to design and even organize your data, contextualize your data in order to be easier to connect with the control systems, with the maintenance systems later on, and will kind of allow a seamless flow of the information throughout the life cycle. So I do like the main digital contractor, because when you start to bring the digital capabilities to the engineering, I would say the products, yeah, so all the 2D drawings, all the 3D drawings, and integrating with a simulation and predictive capabilities, this brings a lot of value to the owners operators.
Well, Flávio, thanks so much for being with us today. We'll be very interested in watching Radix and how you're helping to move companies forward in these regards.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Peter.
We've been speaking with Flávio Guimarães. Flávio is Chief Practices and Alliances Officer with Radix. Thanks for watching.